On September 7th, I made a video entitled "A Viewer Experimented with His Hair System. His Results Are Insane." Now in this video, oh my God, like what is going on with my hair? I feel like every time I like look back and I'm like, ooh, I don't like that hairstyle. Anyways, in this video, I talk about how a viewer sent me emails and he said that he took a light blonde system, dyed it black so that way that the roots wouldn't have this dotted appearance. Many of us know that have darker hair that in a hair system, when it comes to the knots or a silicone base, that there's often kind of like this dotted kind of weird appearance on the base, which is where our scalp is supposed to be, and it isn't always exactly the most natural look. So in this video, this viewer said that he found a way by dyeing a light blonde system and dyeing it black that it was possible to make his hair system look indistinguishable like this right here. Now, this was a pretty novel concept and it was definitely an interesting idea, and there was some commentary saying basically that there's no way that this person could do this. This was an interesting comment that this person said that we should take the supplied photos with a grain of salt, and that it's very unlikely that this system was colored. This guy is a professional 20-year stylist in the hair industry and do not think I could produce these results. Now, I'm not here to dispute or start feuds or anything like that in between the person that sent me some of the photos in that past one and then the people that were commenting. I'm not here for that, and it doesn't really ultimately matter to me that much. But what I am here to do is show you some more stuff that this person did actually send me. So we're gonna go over some more photos that he sent me, and he basically said, "Hey man, I saw the comments, and I just want to go through some of the stuff. I'm doing this process again." So that's all this is. So right here we have this photo right here, which is apparently his blonde hair system that he starts with, and then some of the results that he got from this. So here we can see it attached. Of course, this could be, I guess, theoretically a completely different system. He doesn't really have a reason to necessarily lie that I can imagine. I can't really find out a reason why he would be reaching out to me and saying he's doing something that he's not doing, besides just trolling, but whatever. So this is apparently the original base, and his results are such. So this right here, although to me, it doesn't exactly look perfect. Like right here, up here, it looks like it could be some mistake or something. But here is a top shot, more top shots, more close up of the hairlines. And he also did send me this picture. I'm not sure what it is. I hope it's not an adult toy or something like that, but it definitely looks like a way to deposit hair color inside of some hair. I'm not sure what it is. If anybody that's a hairstylist inside the comments can tell me what exactly this is, where to buy it, and what it does, that would be awesome. But he also did send me this video right here, which I'll play for you guys. So, it looks like this is looks like you just got out of the shower or something like that. Maybe this is a fresh install from how bouncy the hair is. It's like, honestly guys, it's not the clearest video. This isn't something that is 4K HD, but it does look pretty good if you ask me. So that video right there is, once again, it's not conclusive that this is something that this individual has actually done. This could be, once again, them trolling me, I guess. But what I have discovered is this guy is an actor, and he is working on some bigger productions now. And anonymity is probably really important to him. He asked to not be in the videos as far as his name and stuff. So I'm assuming that this guy has put some, TLC into what he's actually doing, and has just tried experimenting and kind of found a way to do this that makes sure his hair looks really, really good. What do you guys think about this? Do you guys think that this guy is actually doing what he says that he's doing? Do you think that he's just kind of like yanking our chain, so to speak? And what would you like to see specifically from this guy? Would you like to see this guy make more content and send it to us on the exact way that he goes about doing this, like filming the whole procedure? This is your chance to basically talk back to the community, talk to this guy who says he found a way to do this, and say to him, hey, like, dude, show us what you're doing, so that way we can all learn. This could be really interesting, and I'm curious, if we get enough comments and enough likes on this video, I'd be happy to send it to him and say, hey man, there's obviously demand for people to learn what you're doing here. Why don't you collaborate with me, make this stuff, I'll walk people through what you're doing, or some kind of variation like that. I think it could be really interesting. So if you do want to see that, let me know in the comments below, and we'll make sure that we figure out a way to make it happen. But I thought it was interesting that he reached back out and he wanted to give us more content to show us that he was being genuine, and that he did care about showing the community that it was correct, and that he was actually doing it. So what do you guys think about his results though? Pretty fascinating, right? Like if we go back through these pictures once again, pretty amazing if you ask me, right? Like looks really good, looks really tough to distinguish that this is not his hair as far as that dotted scalp appearance, right? Like looks fantastic. So, you know, maybe we have something to learn from this guy. I think I do. But anyways, leave your comments below, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you're new.